Chapter 3. Holes. Lesson 9. The holes of the human body.
Key words: breathe, dust, tiny, belly button, tube, connect.
The holes of the human body. Think about the holes in your body. Each hole has a special job. Your nose has 2 holes. You breathe and smell with them. They also have small hairs inside. These hairs keep dust away. Your skin has many tiny holes. Your sweat comes out of them. Sweat keeps your body cool when the weather is hot. There is also a hole in your stomach. It is your belly button. Before you were born, a tube connected you and your mother. The tube fell off and left your belly button. Our bodies have lots of holes. They are all very useful.
Lesson 10. Prairie dog holes. Key words: underground, burrow, dig, claw, tunnel, exit. Prairie dog holes. Prairie dogs live in underground holes. These holes are called burrows. Prairie dogs work together to dig burrows. They use their long, sharp claws. These burrows are usually 2 to 3 meters deep. There are 2 holes for going in and out. There are also long tunnels and many rooms inside. Each room is useful. In some rooms, prairie dogs eat. They sleep and care for their babies in other rooms. There is also a listening room. This room is close to the exit hole. They listen and wait there. They come out when it is safe. Next time you see a hole in the ground, imagine prairie dogs' homes.
Lesson 11. A famous hole in France.
Key words: explore, cave, lantern, painting, wall, treasure.
A famous hole in France. In 1940, 4 boys explored the Lascaux Hill in France. They found a mysterious hole. It was a large cave. The boys brought a lantern into the cave. They saw many old paintings on the walls. There were paintings of large animals like cows and horses. There were also paintings of people. Later, scientists studied the Lascaux cave paintings. There were about 2,000 paintings in the cave. They were over 17,000 years old. The scientists used the paintings to learn about life long ago. Thanks to the boys, we have these amazing treasures now.
Lesson 12. Let's play Mancala. Key words: board, stone, pick up, land, empty, win. Let's play Mancala. Mancala is one of the world's oldest games. Let's learn how to play it. 2 people can play Mancala. Each player has 6 small holes on the board. Each hole holds 4 stones. The large hole on each end is called a Mancala. To play, pick up all the stones from one of your holes. Put 1 stone in each hole to the right. If the last stone lands in your Mancala, you can move again. Mancala ends when one player's side is empty. Then, the players count the stones in their Mancalas. The person with the most stones wins.